From Portland Headlight to the waterfront in downtown Portland, come and join us as we take a quick trip through Maine's largest city. This is Congress Street, Portland, Maine. The Thai Noodle Bar. There's a post office, Station A, Portland, Maine. As we continue to go on here in Portland, Maine.
Interesting looking buildings.
There's a guy with a lifting up his thing here. This is interesting here. Somebody's yelling something back there. It sounds like there might be some protest. This is Congress Street, downtown. There's electric Buddhas, downtown Portland here. Art is in the heart. The Maine College of Art and Design.
There's a fun sculpture over there.
All about art. Portland Media Center. There's a Bank of America building. Gold Star Tattoo. There's Portland. There's a big sculpture there here in downtown Portland.
Some interesting architecture.
Yeah,
Who is that girl?
Here's a Portland monument for the Civil War to her sons who died for the Union, which is the North in the Civil War. Continuing the ride.
100 years of music.
Portland, Maine. We hope you enjoyed your tour here and are continuing to enjoy your tour.
And please subscribe.
It's an interesting building right there. Oh, they left out the gingerbread house from Christmas. Look at that.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Look at that. We're going to go down Franklin Street here toward the water in Portland, Maine.
Oh, there's a Hampton Inn right downtown.
Hampton Inn. Cross Arena, Casco Bay Bridge, and the West End. We're gonna go see what the waterfront looks like. Oh, we can see it on our GPS that the waterfront looms. Here's the Seagull.
Seagull's here to greet us.
Morgan Stanley, Hampton Inn.
Who's Morgan Stanley? Oh, I know.
Who's Morgan Stanley?
That's
funny.
Like an insurance.
No, it's not an insurance company. It's a wealth management and investment bank.
Boring. What? Who is Morgan Stanley?
Maine State Pier down there.
And this is down by the waterfront here. One of my favorite waterfronts is in Montreal when you're down by the St. Lawrence River. Main Gifts. This is the waterfront. Dry dock. That's the customs house.
Building.
That was the back of the building we saw
nice.
earlier. There's a bunch of ports and stuff, little piers over there. Yeah, so here's the wharfs and the waterfront area. There's the marina.
67 degrees in March here, which is very unusual.
Extremely unusual.
Beautiful day here.
6, 7.
Portland Lobster Company.
Public parking. Oh, there's Portland Lobster County. Oh, they got a Stonewall Kitchen.
Oh, there's a dog.
That's the Black Dog. That's most well known for Martha's Vineyard. Yeah.
There's some dog just not on the leash over there.
Piece of the Portland Wall here in Portland, Maine. Also got these locks here too. Pretty neat. Never know what you're gonna find, and that's pretty cool to see that. Easter Seals Veterans Wall, including future President George Herbert Walker Bush. So after our walking tour, we got back in the car. We headed across the Casco Bay Bridge into South Portland. From there, I think it was about a 3-mile drive or so down to Fort Williams Park on Cape Elizabeth. And there we went to see one of the most photographed lighthouses in the United States, Portland Head Light. So come along with us to Fort Williams Park and catch a glimpse of one of the most photographed lighthouses in the entire United States. It was quite an impressive scene with the beautiful Maine coastline and the great lighthouse. We ended the day in Portland by grabbing dinner at Doc's Seafood in South Portland. The special that day, fortunately, was a fish fry. It was only $16. They had fish and chips with coleslaw and tartar sauce. It's also a good shrimp appetizer and miso chicken tenders. Store sells jams and jellies, as well as Maine apparel and Doc's Seafood apparel as well. We liked it. Definitely would return. And our trip to Portland, very good. We thoroughly enjoyed our brief time in the city, the driving, the walking around Commercial Street, and the trip to Portland Head Light. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you learned something. Hope you found it informative. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, share. Thanks again for watching.